Hi, my name is Bianca and I'm the Customer Service Manager here at BEKA Hospitech. Today I would like to show you our wall-mounted changing table, the Anna. The Anna is operated with this convenient hand control. With it you can adjust its height from 40 centimeters to 95 centimeters, which is very convenient to transfer from a wheelchair or bed. As you can see, the Anna comes with a thick, soft cushion. It's very comfortable and easy to clean. And it is also available in multiple colors to suit your environment. The Anna comes with different options. This is the front roll bar, which is easily lifted up in order to protect the resident. Also available would be a roll bar for the foot and head end and padding for them. The Anna is available as fixed table or, as you can see here, as foldable table, which is easily connected to the wall. The Anna table is available in many different sizes. If you have any further questions, please contact your sales manager. Thank you and have a nice day.